The next principle is variety, which is creating contrast through the use of different shapes, images, or typographic elements. For example, we can mix organic and round shape with geometric square shapes. Or we can mix a script font with a serif font to create visual interest. And if you think about it, this is a subset of contrast because we are using a difference in elements in terms of round versus square or script versus serif. But it helps to think about variety as its own principle so that you don't forget to include these things in your design. So let's look at some examples. So here we have a poster design in Kittl, and we have a couple of different things going on. We have variety not only in type, but also in different elements and shapes, and even a picture thrown in there. So the first and easiest one, I think, to pick up on would be the difference in your types. So we have a script font mixed with a serif font. Now we also have a difference in sizing. We have a very large left rectangular block here, and then we have a smaller one down here on the bottom. So we have some variety that's happening here that creates visual interest. Now, not only that, but we have a variety of elements that are on top of this block. So we have these kind of leaf elements here, and then down here in the bottom, we don't necessarily have individual leaves, but this is kind of the inside of a flower. So where this is inverted, this is the opposite. So we have yellow on red, and here we have red on yellow. Here's another example of a beautiful wedding invitation. First way we have some variety is with the type. So we have this beautiful vintage type up here, and then we also have this really elegant looking script down here at the bottom, as well as a little bit of a different serif style happening here in the text in the middle. So we have differences in type choices. We also have differences in elements. So we have some repetition in the style of these florals throughout, but then we also have some framing differences. So we have this organic shape here that I mentioned, and we also have a square shape. So we have some variety, but they're all together, so they're still meeting the principle of unity.
Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.